Hello, Varshit, and I think the new student, Ma, Lehita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mama. Good. This is your first class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pronounce once your name better?
Leshita.
Leshita. Okay, right. So nice, sweet name. Good. Varshit, yeah, the day Sunday test we write a subjective part, right? Not objective part. I'm not happy with a few answers given by the students. And let me check first what are the questions. Can we revise once again the topics what we are keeping the other day? Let me take the part. Who else? Abhinav did, Anubhav did well. Leshita, till now we have completed the chapter 1 month. I think this is class 7 or class 8 month?
Class
7. Right. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, how did I wrote, ma'am, the exam? Ma'am, below it, ma'am. Yes.
Science test.
Yes, ma'am, below it, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing, oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Leshita, do you aware about integers, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can we just recollect what are integers, Leshita? What are integers? Yes. Yeah, not an issue. What are first generally, what are counting numbers? What are whole numbers? Then what are integers? Please go step by step.
Ma'am, positive and negative numbers.
Very good. Those are positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. Very good, Leshita. That's all. Don't be scared. You have to be feel free. You can ask whatever the doubts if not getting, because this is open conversation between the child and the teacher. Okay. Feel free to ask whatever the doubts. If you're not getting, also please let me know. No issues here. We all are coming for learning the things. Yeah, why late, Kritvik?
Ma'am, it just didn't connect. Why is the print told that it was the class?
Yeah, I'm not happy with the Sunday test. I felt very sad. I saw the answers. That's why I won't correct answers too. Only I'm very happy with Anubhav, but Anubhav also did silly errors in the test. But you people are handwriting part also should be improved a lot, because I want to see your handwriting step by step process. That's why this week we are going with a subjective test, but very careless writing written by my students. Do you agree with me? Varshit is laughing silently. Careless test is given by answers are given by students. So if you are in front of me, definitely each one get beatings. But you are away in my computer, so I cannot beat you. But here, my sincere advice: you people should be little serious towards the part children. Once it is given, take as a serious and give the answers. Okay. Any test, if whatever the NEET work, NEET presentation should be very important. There are 4 ways in subjective test, children, you need to take care. First thing is question, reading question, understanding question, If once, if not getting also, you people can read once and twice the question. First question, all three students are doing wrong. All three are doing wrong. An integer 5 more than -4. Let me go with the question. An integer 5 more than -4. See, we know the number line. Yes or no? This is number line. Yes. What is the question? An integer 5 more than -4. 5 more than -4. More than. This is number line, of course. Exactly 0 in the middle. So towards the positive values. 1, 2, 3, and so on towards right side of 0. And as the student said, it's a negative towards left side of 0, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Now 5 more than -4. First, you locate in your number line -4. Where is -4? Here. Yes or no? This is -4. Yes or no, children? Are you able to see -4 on number line?
Yes, ma'am.
This is -4. Now, how many more than 5 more than -4? More means you need to go with the word. If you see more means you go with right side. How many jumps you should go? You should go 5 jumps. 5 jumps. So this is my right now the location. I should go 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer, children? What is the answer?
Number
1. How many of you write correct? Check your notebook. Check your notebook. Is it Kritvik correct your answer?
No, ma'am. What?
No. What about Varshit? Silently sitting.
Ma'am, mine is also not there.
Is it? No, I'm not accepting children because I felt first question all 3 students are doing wrong. I was shocking. What my students are 5 more than. Suppose the same question, 6 less than -4. What is the answer? 6 less than -4. Same thing. Here less than -4. -4 means less means you should move towards your left side. So then you can extend this number line -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, and -11. How many you want? That many you can extend. So -4 to how many jumps I should go? Like 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is my answer? Here 6 less than -4 is?
No, -10.
-10. Like that, see children, no need of doing all the time number line also. Because for your understanding purpose, I'm giving here. 5 more than -4. So -4, 5 more means you have to add. Yes? You have to add. 6 less than -4. -4, 6 less than -4. So which is 1? We know opposite signs subtract. This is also same as 5 minus 4 is 1. Now these all both are same signs, like because this sign belongs to this number. -4 and -6. What is the answer? -10. Like signs you have to add. Unlike signs you have to subtract. And not only that, unlike signs subtract and keep the greater number sign. Like signs add and keep the greater number sign. So minus 6 having negative sign. So the answer also same. Yes. Leshita, did you understood, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, question to Prithvik. Question to Prithvik. 2 less than minus 2.
Minus 4.
Yes, minus 4. Very good. Yes, Kritvik, good. 4 more than, Kritvik, please answer. 4 more than 5.
9.
9. Yes, Leshita, please answer my question. 3 more than minus 7. Don't worry. Think, I'll help you. 3 more than minus 7. 3 more than means you have to add beta. Minus 7, right? Which are in opposite signs because 3 is a positive 3, 7 is negative number. Opposite signs means what we should do, which operation we should do, we have to do subtraction. We have to do subtraction and keep the greater number sign. Come on, please try it. Just a minute, children. Please try it and let me know the answer.
Ma'am, 4.
Sign also very important.
4. Ma'am, minus 4.
Yes, Leshita, what is the answer, ma?
Ma'am, minus 4.
Very good, because the opposite signs means you have to subtract and keep the greater number sign. Subtract and keep the greater number sign. That's more important. Subtract and greater number sign. Greater number sign. Now subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. Greater number having which sign? Negative sign. So negative 4. Yes. Opposite signs, subtract and keep the greater number sign. Same signs, add and keep the greater number sign. Suppose, Leshita, the same question, if I'm asking minus 3 more than minus 7.
Ma'am, minus 10.
Minus 3 more than means add minus 7. Is it like signs or unlike signs? First, see the integers. This is addition. First thing you have to identify whether it is addition or subtraction. Yes, it is addition. Is it like ante? Like means what is like? Same. Is it like signs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Like means you have to add. Like means add the numbers and keep the greater number sign. Come on, please answer.
Ma'am, minus 10.
Minus?
10.
Yes, very good. Minus 10. Good. Great work. Right. Now, Varshit. Coming to Varshit, that's a question number 2. We have to go with the test questions because there is a way I need to express here to help you. Absolute value of minus 29. Absolute value of minus 29. I said many times, absolute value is the symbol for absolute. What is the absolute value of minus 29?
Ma'am, 29. Ma'am.
Yes, we should not consider any sign. We are only considering positive number. Right, very good. Right. Yes, Kritvik, this one both you are doing correct. Check once your answer, who are doing correct, who are doing wrong.
Ma'am, I got correct one.
Good. About Varshit.
Ma'am, I also got correct.
Now go to the question with Kritvik. The smallest positive integer. The
Ma'am,
smallest positive integer.
ma'am, it's 1.
Very good. If you see the number line, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Towards right side 0, all are positive. My question is, which is the least positive number? Which is the least positive number means it is 1. Which is the greatest negative number? Kritvik, which is the great? Yes, Kritvik?
Ma'am, -1.
Very good. It's -1. Please remember such a questions may be tested in the exam too. Right. Now go with the next question. Leshita, please can you read the question number 4? Leshita, I cannot hear you, ma. Question number 4.
The additive inverse of -7.
Yes, the additive inverse of -7. You see, what is the meaning of additive inverse? Additive inverse, who will tell what is the meaning of additive inverse?
Opposite. Ma'am.
Additive means
No, no,
add.
no.
If you add two numbers, the sum should be 0. The sum should be equal to 0. So then we call the numbers as additive inverse. You have to see here the additive inverse of -7. -7, if you add, what number makes you 0?
Ma'am, +7.
Very good, very good. It's +7. So additive inverse of -7 is? Right. Very good. Good. Go with the next question where Kritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Kritvik,
yes, ma'am.
Kritvik, do you check your answers for 4th bit. How many of you correct Varshit and Kritvik? You can tick by yourself and I'll tell later how many marks you will score. Whether if it is correct, tick it. 4th bit correct for you?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Then 5th bit, Kritvik. -1 whole to the power 25. -1 whole to the power 25. What I said, children?
Ma'am,
Any number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, -1. -2.
Very good. It's -1. Absolutely correct. Good. Why? Suppose the same question if I'm asking -1 whole to the power 26. What is the value?
Ma'am, +1.
+1. Can you please give the reason? Kritvik, wonderful job you are doing. Please give the reason.
Ma'am, because at the last it's odd digit, ma'am. Odd digit gets negative number.
Exponent. This is, we can
Yes,
call
ma'am.
it as
Exponent.
exponent. Exponent is
Ma'am,
odd. So you will get negative. If exponent is even, what you will get?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive. This is only very good. Hope you this is correct for you. Please check Varshit too.
Ma'am, it's correct for me.
If it is correct, put tick. Now, how many marks you scored in section 1? Assess yourself. You have self-assessment today. You people can assess yourself. How many marks out of 5? This is section A. There are 5 questions. Out of 5, how many you scored?
Ma'am, me 4.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am.
Yes. How many, Varshit?
4, ma'am. 4.
4. Kritvik?
Ma'am, it is same 4.
Same 4, right? Now go with section D. Now put section A 4 marks for you, both of you. Next. 0 is greater than every dash integer. 0 is greater than every.
Dash. Ma'am,
Go with the
ma'am,
number line. Think number line. Once again, go for your number line. 0 is greater than every dash integers. If you see, this is number line. This is 0. Left side are negatives. Right side are positives. 0, this number above 0. Above 0 means these numbers are always greater than. Are always greater than.
ma'am, negative.
Negative numbers. Very good. Very good. It's negative numbers. Check your answer. Varshit.
It's correct. Ma'am, I got correct.
What about Kritvik?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct one.
Correct. Yes, Leshita, are you understanding the part what we are discussing? If not, please let me know. Yes. Now, question number 2. This also I felt very sad by looking the question. Different answers given by my students. 16 plus 9 multiplied with 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Ma'am, my brain is confusion with which operation I should do first. That's a question children mind. What operation I should do first here? There are multiple operations here. Addition is there, multiplication is there, subtraction is there, division is there. Which one I should do first? Leshita, question to Leshita. Leshita, your voice is very low, ma. I cannot hear you. 16 plus 9 or 19, I'm not sure. 16 plus 9 multiplied with 4 minus 4 divided by 2. This is the question in section B, second bit. Yes. Who will say? Varshit, can you please, what operation I should do? Whether addition or subtraction or multiplication or division?
Ma'am, division.
Why I should do division?
Ma'am, because of Bodmas rule.
Yes, very good. Because of Bodmas rule or DMAS rule. DMAS. DMAS. D means?
Division.
M means?
Multiplication.
A means?
Addition.
S means?
Subtraction.
S means? Subtraction. So division, which number, this part I should do first? First I should do this part. So 4 by 2. What is the value of 4 by 2? Yes? 2. Yeah, this is 2. Right. Now what I should do?
Multiplication.
What I should? Multiplication. This is the second I should do. 16 plus 9 fours are?
Now 36.
Minus 2. Now which one I should do?
Addition.
Addition. 16 plus 36. Sixteen plus 36.
Ma'am, 52.
Yes, 52. Very good. Minus 2. What is the value of 52 minus 2?
Ma'am, 50.
Ma'am, 50.
How many of you correct?
Ma'am, I got it correct, ma'am.
Very good. What about Kritvik?
Ma'am, I think I got wrong. 48 I got.
You are confused, I think, right?
Okay.
Yes, Kritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
You use this rule. What is the rule?
Ma'am, division
mass.
multiplication.
Or else bod mass. We can sometimes use as a, you can extend bod mass. Here bracket of, and same like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is bod mass rule or D mass rule. Generally we are using. Okay, hope you understood, Kritvik. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, any others? Leshita, hope you understood, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. And Varshit, you did correct means place 1 mark. Put 1 mark. If wrong means put 0 marks. And now go with the question number 3. Kritvik, question number 3. Please read the question number 3.
Ma'am, the product of two negative integers is always ma'am positive integer.
Very good. The product of two negative integers is always dash integer. You can take examples, children. Such a questions, if you are facing difficulty, take with example. -2 multiplied with -4. What is the answer? Minus into minus? Plus. 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? Negative number multiplied, you will get positive answer. Yes, that's why you have to say negative number multiplied with another negative number, you are getting positive number. Yes, if it is correct, put 1 mark. Both of you correct, that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, absolute, no, sorry, question
Fourth
was to, yeah, question, 4th question, right? Yeah, Varshit, 4th question.
The integer dash is called the additive element of multiplication of integers. Ma'am, 1 ma'am.
Very good. The integer 1 is called the additive, the identity element for multiplication integers. Identity means my identity means I am Bharati. My identity still remains same. When still remains the same in multiplication, if I multiplied with 1, any number multiplied with 1, the number is same we are getting. Suppose 1 multiplied with 5 or 5 multiplied with 1 is 5. 6 multiplied with 1, 6. 7 multiplied with 1, 7. 8 multiplied with 1, 8. 9 multiplied with 1, 9. 100 multiplied with 1, 100. 1000 multiplied with 1, 1000. So what is the identity? Still my number is not changing. My identity is still the same. What is the number? The integer is
1.
1. Please check if it is correct. Put 1 mark.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Very good. Now, I think Leshita, please absolute value of -7 and -8. Absolute value of -7 and -8.
Ma'am, 7 and 8.
Yes, children, please try it. I'll help you. Not an issue. Please try. Give a minute time, children. I'll open the door and I'll come back. Leshita, can I help you? What is the answer, Leshita?
Ma'am, plus 15.
Plus
15.
Can you please text me? I cannot hear you, Leshita. Maybe you're scary. Don't be scary, Leshita. We all here for learning. Be brave. You can speak. You can talk with me. Yes, Varshit, what is the answer? Whether what Leshita said is correct?
Ma'am,
Yes or no?
ma'am, I don't know.
Yes.
Exactly. No.
Exactly no. What about Kritvik?
Ma'am,
My dear Kritvik, you check
Yes.
here
Ma'am.
-7, -8. Both are same signs means what we should do?
ma'am, addition.
Addition. So 7 and 8, if you add up, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 15.
15. But common sign is, greater number sign is minus. Modulus of -15.
Ma'am, it's 15, right, ma'am? Additive.
It's
Ma'am, 15 is the absolute value.
15 is the correct answer. Absolute value of -15 is 15. I think Varshita also, not Varshita, Leshita, you are giving the same answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good, ma. Very good. Good. That's about in section B. How many marks you scored, Kritvik?
Um, uh,
Check it, and mark it. First
Yes, ma'am.
section you are scoring 4. Second section, Varshit, how many marks you scored in second section?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
I have answer proof also. I will check once again.
Yes, ma'am, we can check it, ma'am.
You already sent. I have. Please, honest is the best policy.
I'm really honest, ma'am. 4.
I'm joking. Don't feel, Varshit. Just I
Ma'am.
want to know. My children are very honest. I know that. Yes, Kritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I scored 4 only.
Okay. Because very good. Then the first 2 sections, my children are scored 8. Both are same. And go with the next section C. Write true or false. This section I will start with Kritvik, followed by Varshit, then Leshita. Come on. Same pattern you can revise once again. Yes, Kritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it false? The first one.
First, read the question. Read the question.
Ma'am, negative 2001 is the successor of negative 2000. Ma'am, it's false.
It's false or true?
Ma'am, it's false.
Think. See, if you have such a doubt, go with number line. The successor of -2000. Take a number line. Successor means you should add -2001. 2001 or 2000 they gave.
Ma'am, 2000.
No, what is the question? 2000 -2000. Successor of -2. Successor means you move towards your right side. Predecessor means you move towards your left side. Successor means you have to move towards the right side. Predecessor means towards left side. In negative integers, if you move towards left side, it's -2001. Here, if you move towards right side, it's negative. What is successor of -2000?
Ma'am, -1990.
Yes. I hope it is a true or false. My question is whether it's true or false.
Ma'am, I said false.
Yes, correct. What you said, false, you said, Kritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Check your, so if it is correct, put 1 mark. And question number 2, Varshit.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
square of any integer is positive.
Square of any integer is positive. Square means Nana. I did not say this part. Square of any integer. Suppose a square of 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. And not only this, negative 2 square, negative 3 square, negative 4 square. Yes, is it positive or negative?
Ma'am, positive.
Very good, it's positive. Very good, it's positive. Because in the square means we are repeatedly multiplied the number with 2 times. So negative 2 negative multiplied with negative 2, it's negative positive 4. Negative 3 multiplied with negative 3, it's 9. Negative 4 multiplied with negative 4, it's positive 16. Same way, if you multiply with 2 into 2, which is 4, 3 into 3, which is 9, 4 into 4, which is 16. All the cases we are getting positive, even if of course it is negative integer also. Square of an integer is always
Positive.
positive. It's an always positive. So which is true or false?
True, ma'am. It is true.
True. Please correct yourself, and Leshita, please read the question number 3. Try to understand and give the answer.
The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a positive integer. Ma'am, false.
Yeah, 1 minute, Leshita. Yes, ma. The product of a positive integer and negative integer is always a positive integer. True or false, Leshita?
Ma'am, false.
Very good, it's false, because opposite signs, unlike signs, the product of two unlike signs is negative. The product of two positive like signs is plus. We mentioned, I will recollect once again the table so that you people can memorize, because young kids, you may forget, but multiple times we are getting negative number multiplied with a negative number like signs plus sign. Negative positive number multiplied with a positive number. This is obviously plus, we know that. These two are like signs. These two are like. If I'm taking unlike, negative multiplied with a positive is negative. And positive multiplied with a negative, any both the cases opposite negative. This is unlike. Yes, this is, please remember that part continuously so that you may. Yes. Next question for whom?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Kritvik.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Ma'am, true.
Good, good. Yes, next. Hey, Varshit, where are you going?
Ma'am, I'm here only.
Don't go anywhere. I'm watching you.
Yes, ma'am. Minus
What
7
is
divided minus 7 divided by minus 7 is equals to 1, ma'am. True, ma'am. It's true.
How many of you? Yes, Kritvik, how many marks you scored in section C?
Ma'am, 5 only, correct one.
Very good. You, Varshit?
Ma'am, I think it's correct only, ma'am.
No, check you have notebook somewhere. You're leaving
Yes,
the notebook.
Ma'am, I have, ma'am.
Yeah, then you have to check and correct yourself. Section
Ma'am,
C, how many
checking.
marks you scored?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, ma'am.
5. Then 3 sections out of 15. How many marks for you, Kritvik?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, hello?
Yes, Kritvik?
Yes, ma'am. I got 9, ma'am.
3 sections together, not A, B, C, 3 sections together.
ABC. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 13.
13. What about Varshit?
Ma'am, same ma'am, 13.
13. Good. Both are competent. Good. Now this is the last section, the target section. Multiple mistakes done in this section. I gave each question 4 questions, 4 application questions. Each question carries 5 marks. 4 5s are 20. This is 15, total 35 marks. Out of 35, the application sums I'm not at all happy, children, because this part you did somewhat better than that. Leshita, can you please read the question number 1?
A company is producing two products, X and Y. The company makes a profit of rupees 2 per unit on X and a loss of rupees 10 per unit on Y. If the company sells 3,600 units of product X and 4,000 units of product Y, find the profit or loss of the company due to the sale.
Yes, what we can do here? Yes, Ritvik, a company is producing two products, X and Y. The company makes a profit rupees 52 per unit on X and loss rupees 10 on unit Y. If company sells 3,600 units of product X and 4,000 units of product Y, find the profit or loss of the company due to the sale. We have to write steps, many steps we should frame here. Company is making two products here. We are taking as X and Y. This is a product X and product Y. On product X, profit rupees, how much, ma'am? Profit, Kritvik, profit rupees?
Ma'am, 52.
52. On product Y, loss rupees?
Ma'am, 10 rupees.
10. How many X articles are X articles produced by the company?
Ma'am, 3,600.
And loss subjects?
Ma'am, 4,000.
But we know that each and profit we are getting 52 rupees, means you have to multiply and find out. Here you are getting loss, you should multiply with 10, which is 40,000 rupees. Loss means I can take as a negative. Here profit 52 into 36. Come on, children, please multiply quickly.
Ma'am, 1 lakh
Ma'am,
87.
1,87,200.
1 lakh
87,200.
87,200. This is profit. Yes or no? This is profit. This is loss here. So this is loss. So net profit or loss they're asking. Which is greater? Profit is greater than loss. So what they are going to get? Probably they are going to get. This is net amount, not profit beta. You have to see this on article X. On article X, how much on article X? How much amount they are getting? On article X, they are getting 1,87,000. On article Y,
40,000, ma'am.
47,000, 40,000. So net profit is, so you have to compare. Net profit is how much? Profit or loss? First you need to find out whether it is profit. So 1,87,200 minus 40,000. What is the answer?
Ma'am, Uh, 1 minute, ma'am.
You people
Ma'am,
are not doing in the notebook.
Ma'am, 1,47,200, ma'am, answer.
1,47,200.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the net profit on the product. So now I'm just giving in detail, but statement wise, what are the statements we can write for this question? That's more important. Number of products made by the number of products. Yeah, what are the two groups are producing by the company X and Y? Yes or no? How many X units it is? How many units of product X the company sold?
Ma'am, 3,000.
3,600. What is the first statement we can build? Number of
X.
Number of
products,
units sold on X.
number of units of X, or else the company sells number of units of X is equal to 300. The company sells number of units of Y units is 4,000. So profit on X is 52. Loss on Y is rupees 10. Loss on product Y. You have to write as a in detail. Loss on product Y. Therefore, you just find out the amount collected on X units. So that means the amount collected on 3,600 units is equal to, you write 1 lakh some 82 something, you are getting same thing you have to. The amount collected on Y articles, like 4,000 units into 10, which is 40,000. Then they're asking, find the profit or loss. Obviously, it is profit. Why? Because articles X is 1,87,000 and Y articles loss is 4,000, 40,000. So by comparing, you can say which is profit is only happening. So find the profit. So profit is equal to 1 lakh. So that 82,200 minus 40,000, which is the net profit you are going to get. The same question in 8th class, you are going to find out in percentage, children. That we will learn in later classes. But this part, no need. Hope you understood. Yes, Leshita, hope you understood. How many
Yes,
of you correct this? How many of you correct answer? If it is correct, please put a mark for 5 marks for each. 5 marks for each.
Ma'am,
Kritvik, did you
correct?
correct? Kritvik?
Ma'am, I think it's correct.
Very good. So that's 5 marks as scored for you both. And the question 2 will start with Kritvik. Read the question, Kritvik. Second question.
Yes, ma'am. An elevator is 25 meters below the ground and it ascends at the rate of 5 meters per minute. Find the time taken by it to reach 50 meters above the ground.
An elevator is 25 meters above the ground level and it ascending and descending. Ascending means ascends, descends. Descending means top to bottom. Ascends means
Bottom to
at the rate of 5 meters per minute. Find the time taken to reach 50 meters above the ground. What is the position of elevator, ma? What is the position of elevator? No, it's above the ground, it's 25 meters. To reach 50 meters, diagrammatically, I'll help you, children. Then practically, step-by-step word format we will do. First, if you are able to understood, it's easy for you. The position, this is ground level, 0. Above, the elevator is above the ground level. The position, first initial position of elevator, Position of elevator 25 meters above the ground level. To reach, now elevator is here. Now to reach this elevator to 50 meters above the ground, 50 meters above the ground, how much time it is taking? If you go from here to here, the elevator, how much time it is taking? What is the difference between these two lengths? What is the difference between these two? 50 minus 25. 50 minus 25 is 25 meters. But in 1 minute, how many meters the elevator ascends? It is in 1 minute. In a minute, there is given, you see the condition. The rate of ascents, the elevator rate of ascents is 5 meters. That means 1 minute, 5 meters. In 1 minute, how much elevator is going? 5 meters ascending. Ascending means increasing. Yes, Varshit, any doubt?
Ma'am, it's 25 meters below the ground level, ma'am.
No. They're not asking above the ground, right? You see the question, it's above the ground or below the ground? Varshit, see the question? Below the ground. Okay, fine. Sorry, Nana. It's below the ground. Then, yes, sorry, I did not notice. Maybe it is below the ground. Take here as 25 you can take here. Then 50 means somewhere some part down only. 50 meters below, that's minus 50 and minus 25 meters. This is above, you take as a same procedure. We can take an absolute value. So difference between these two is 25 meters divided by each. How much time it ascends, children? 5 minutes. 1 minute, how much it is going? 5 meters. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. So how much time it takes to descend or ascends from 25 meters to 50 meters? Yes. Here I think they gave the word as a descents. It's not ascents, so they gave as a word as descents. 50 meters above the ground. Oh, sorry, this is not below the ground, above the ground, children. Please complete. See the wrong sense we are doing. Sorry, children, somewhere there. Let me take. Above the ground, they're not asking the below ground. You see, this is the, you think this is elevator or not a number line or vertical number line. Here, what is 0 level? You can take anywhere in the middle of the. Yes, you can take anywhere. Here, middle 0. And here, minus 25 meters below the. Now, position of elevator is here. To reach 50 meters above the ground, how much time it is taking? This distance should be taken care. Sorry. This distance should be taken care. Sorry, children, I did not notice the question properly. Please, this distance they're asking. What is the distance between here to here? First find out. Above sea level, there is a 50 meters. And below sea level, there is 25 meters. Total together?
75 meters.
50 plus 25, which is 75.
75.
But 1 minute, how much distance it is traveling? 5 meters.
5.
So 5 ones are 5 fives. So it takes, how much time it takes to ascend 50 meters?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 15 minutes time taken by. But what are the? Yes, how many of you correct the second question?
Ma'am, I got correct.
Ma'am, I got
Very good, Varshit. Good. So you can get 4 marks here. Very good, Nana. Next, tomorrow we'll discuss third and fourth questions, children. Please go through the same procedure. Please, only the reading part and understanding the question is more important. And here the new student who is she, Leshita. Hope you understood, ma. Any doubts in today's session?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Children, read the question once and twice so we can. So see, the question is different. Here below the ground first, then elevator is reaching 50 meters above the ground. Take care above as upper above the zero, below means zero below. So the absolute values you're supposed to take 25 and 50. The sum should be equal to 75. So 75 divided by 5 is why we are dividing with 5 in 5 meters in a minute time it is traveling. That's why we are dividing with 5. 75 by 5 is, which is 15. So 15 minutes time it takes to ascend 50 meters above the ground. Next day we will take 2 questions. Then we will go with our new topic, children. Yeah. And I think the chapter was done. We are going with our exercise sums. Exercise sums were done, Krithvi.
Mom, we did.
We
Exercise
completed,
sum.
right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. The next chapter, what is your next chapter? Fractions and decimals. We will start in next class. Once these 2 bits were done, we are going with those. Right, children, bye. Have a nice day. Leshita, any doubts? Any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Good, good. Can we leave, ma? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a nice day.